short video of my web design. So let us start where we stop in our last class. In our previous class, we were able to design the drop-down options. Yes, from here. Then we have the drop-down menu. So this time we are going to add to the drop-down menu. The drop-down menu will come to this side. So this is where we stop last class. So for us to continue our web design, we have to first of all minimize this. Then we go to our Dreamweaver. Then from here, we have to go to our code. This other home, click on the code. You can see the code. This is where we stop last class. Then we want it to have a drop-down menu, and the drop-down menu should continue from where this drop-down menu stops, which is Oshogo. What I mean by Oshogo is that if I run it from here now, you can see that Oshogo is the last one here. You can see. So we want to put a drop-down menu here. So I have to continue from here. That's why we're having Oshogo here. So I cannot minimize this. Then I go to my Dreamweaver. Then I can see that this is Oshogo. So this one should have a drop-down menu. For this one to have a drop-down menu, so I have to go to this place. Then I will just press enter. I move this one down. Then I'll come to this place and I'll type my UL, which stands for under list. Then I put my slash. This is under list. Then from there I can press enter. Then I can go to this place and I type my list item li. I'll put my slash. In this place I can type, what should I type here? Let me just put in football. This is football. Then this place I can put my A. Then at the end of the sentence I go to the end of the football and I put my A slash again. The computer will complete it for me. You can see that's A here. Then this A, I can put a space and type my H E R F, which stands for hyperreference. This is the hyperreference. Then click on it. Then I now put my slash. Place it. I've designed the first one. Then I'll now select this to have this for the rest. Ctrl C. Then I'll press enter. Move it up a little. I'll have space. Ctrl V. Enter. Ctrl V. Enter. Ctrl V. If I like, I will make it 5. So this place that I'm having football, I can change this one to volleyball. Then I can change this one to table tennis. Then this one, I can change this one to what? Basketball. Basketball. Handball. Then this one can be volleyball. Human ball. Volleyball. That can be volleyball. So I can now save it, save all. Then if I go and look at it for my design, refresh, and see. You can see that from here it continues. You can see the football, volleyball, table tennis, basketball. I have two volleyball, so yes. I have to change one. So for me to change one, I have to go back to my this. What name should I use?
Soccer. Baseball. Okay, don't mind my using the baseball there, just for us to make it more uniform. Then save all. Then if I go to my design, I refresh. Then I go to news. I can see that the problem here: baseball, basketball, table tennis, volleyball, football. But what we want to do is that from this football downward, we want to move it to this place. So I think we come to this Oshogo.
so that it cannot just be coming down like this. It's supposed to come to this place and break. So how do I do that now? So I'm going to use CSS so that this volleyball will not come this format. It will come from this. We should go to the other side. So for us to do that now, I'll just go back to my Dreamweaver. Then I'll go to my CSS, because it's through CSS I can do it in a way that. But if you look at it now, this UL on that list, I'm having 3 now, because you can see 1 is here, 2, 3. You can see that on that list is now 3. It's no more 2, because I've added football, volleyball, because they too have their own on that list. So this on that list must reflect in my CSS. So I have to also reflect my CSS. I will go to my CSS like this. Then you can select. If you look at this place now, I'm having 2 here on that list. So what I just do, I just copy this one, Control C, because it seems to have having close here. Then Control V. Then I just add the 3rd one, which is on that list. Do you see the way I have the 3rd one? Yes. Then I will just press Enter. Yes, I'll press Enter. Then I'll put my open. Move down here, close it. So you can see that I'm having the something. So for it to move to the other side, I'll just press Enter. I'll look for margin left. That's what they call margin left. You can see the margin left. You see the margin left. Sure, I think we move. But mind you, the width that I'm using here is 120. Look at this place, the width that I use in this place. The width here of each of them. There's my width. This height, this width, my width here is 100. So what I'm going to use in that margin left is 100. So if I go to this place and I put margin, and I put 100.
The same is down.
Okay, it moved that. Then come to this place, click in front of it, type 100 pixels. You see the 100 pixels. Then I put my semicolon. Do see it now. Then I'll now save it. Go to File, Save All. Then I'll now look at how it look like. If I go to my work again and now refresh. Then if I go to this place, do you see the way it is? It's as if you want to fall. It's coming from this place. See, it's not like so. This one should go up a little. This football, volleyball should move up a little, because they cannot be like this. I've seen some website that do it like this, so but in a good website, this thing should move up a little, so it will be easier for you to just move from this place to the other drop down. Because if you look at it, I find it difficult to move to this side, because this football, volleyball is down. So for me to move it up, I have to go back to my CSS again to go and retype the code. I go into this place, then the code that I'm going to use a code called top.
No pressing.
No, what happened? Go to this place, press Enter. Top. This is the top. You can see the top. Then the top will be 0 pixels. You can see the top. Then I go to File, Save All. Then if I go to this place and now refresh. Sorry, you can see that the top maybe to move, so it's easy for me to come to this place. Do you see that is easy? Before it was not like this, but when I use top 0, so the thing now move up, so it's easy for me to move down. So I can use the method to move as many as possible. So this is my 4th video.